What up, people? How are we all doing? So, contouring. I'm going to first take a full coverage concealer, apply it to the inner corners of my eyes, avoid applying too much product as it can get really cakey. I'm going to go in my EX1 sponge because it's absolutely amazing and really apply that concealer all the way out into my temples to brighten. I'm going to go in with this contour stick. I prefer bronzing rather than contouring. I'm going to take this stippling brush and I'm going to apply the contour stick from my ear to my outer brow, my temple and my forehead, going really messily blending because the stippling brush, it just applies it beautifully. Then I'm going to take the excess under my jaw. Now we're going to go in with powder. I'm going to use this Contour Curve applicator. It's absolutely amazing. It's great for beginners who struggle with applying contour in the right places. I'm going to take this buffing brush. It's a really beautiful bronzer brush, and just follow the Contour Curve guidelines, especially if you want a more defined contour. Again, going on the forehead and on the chin to chisel that chin out. This is what both of the contours look like before we then go and set. I'm going to go and use a really nice brightening setting powder, something that has a yellow undertone hopefully. I'm just going to pack this under the eyes. I don't like to bake and I like to bring it up to my nose, and obviously you can chisel out the contour even more, and this is the final look. Mwah.